In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Asos promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Asos promo code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website which is called voucher codes. So as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, let's say you want to get this one with 10% discount of your first order that is over £20. All you need to do is just select the button where it says get code right here. And this is the promo code. You can simply copy this one and you can use it in order to get a 10% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Hot UK Deals. And right here on this website, you also have some promo codes as you can see. So let's say, for example, you want to get this 10% discount of your first order right here. All you need to do is just tap on this button where it says C code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this one and you can apply this promo code on your first order so that you can get a 10% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.